Good morning children. Welcome back to today's class. So far in the previous classes we have revised our lesson. Am I right? The monkey and the orchestra. We have revised the lesson once again. Now in the previous class I have given classwork. I have given alphabet in the classwork. Am I right? So today we are going to write in the classwork itself. What are those? What we are going to write? Today we are going to write hard words in the classwork. Okay, open your classworks. Open your classworks, my dear children, all of you. Yeah, right. Now, look at the board. Look at the board, everyone. Lesson 1, write on the top of the paper. Lesson 1. Next, the monkey orchestra. Write the name of the lesson. The monkey orchestra. This lesson name should write in one line. The first line. First four-ruled line. Okay. The monkey orchestra. You have to write this in one line. First line. Give a finger gap between each word. The finger gap, monkey finger gap, and then orchestra. THE, the finger gap. MONKEY, monkey finger gap. ORCHESTRA, orchestra. Okay, you have to write the lesson name in one line only. Completed? Next. On the next line, what we are going to write today? Hard words. As I said earlier, we are going to write hard words. You have to write the heading hard words in second line. Here. Hard words. Look at the word right in the middle. Hard words. Okay. Right. Next. I am going to write the first word. On the next line, put number 1 and the first word. ORCHESTRA, orchestra. First word, orchestra. ORCHESTRA, orchestra. Next, second word. JUNGLE, jungle. Look at the board and write with a neat handwriting. JUNGLE, jungle. Next, third one. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Next, fourth line. Suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. Next, on the next line, if you do not have any line here, then draw the margin and write here itself. Okay, suddenly, and then chattered, CHATTERED, chattered. Chattered, CHATTERED. Then, after writing turn the page and write the next word. Turn the page and write the next word. If you do not have any line here, after writing fifth word, if you have no lines, then turn the page and write on the next page. Okay. Next word, screaming. S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. Next word. Shouting. S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. You should touch the two lines. Shouting, S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. And then wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. And then ninth one. Instruments. Instruments. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S. Instruments. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S. Instruments. And then jump. J-U-M-P-E-D, jump. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Okay. See? Orchestra, jungle, beautiful, suddenly, chattered, screaming, shouting, wonderful, instruments, jumped. Okay, see, I'll give once again. Orchestra, jungle, beautiful, suddenly, chattered, screaming, shouting, wonderful, instruments, jumped. See, my dear children, these are the 10 hard words. These are the 10 hard words, and in the next video, I'll give you 10 more hard words. Okay, so your homework is read and practice given hard words for one time. Read and practice the given hard words for, okay, let it make 2. For 2 times. Okay, my dear children, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Sorry children, I have to give homework for you. It's a homework in small copy. I'll write small copy homework here. Take your small copies. One more 4-roll notebook you have now. Take that book and write in the small copy. I J. Write date on the page. 9, 20. 20, 20. Okay. I, J, K, L. See, this is your homework in small copy. Okay. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class.